please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Chapter 79, verses 40 and 41, of the Holy Quran, tells Muslims, that when they remember, that Allah, the Exalted, is watching them, and it stops them, from committing sins, then they will end up, in paradise. It is important, not to commit sins, as this is one half, of success. The other half, is performing good deeds. No matter where you are, Allah, the Exalted, is watching you. Just like you would not do something bad in front of a police officer, if you remember Allah, the Exalted, is always watching you, whether you are alone, or not, then it will stop you from committing sins. Whoever performs good deeds, and avoids sins, for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, will go to paradise.